Hello everyone, welcome to Techno Kamakhya. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss on the best review of the POCO M7 5G. The POCO M7 5G, officially launched on March 3, 2025, is the latest addition to POCO's lineup, aiming to deliver robust features at an affordable price point. Positioned as a budget-friendly 5G smartphone, it offers a compelling mix of performance, display quality, and design. Design and display. The POCO M7 5G showcases a modern aesthetic with a matte finish back panel and a distinctive circular camera module, referred to as the stellar ring design. Available in satin black, mint green, and ocean blue, the device caters to diverse style preferences. The front features a 6.88-inch IPS LCD with a 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, 600 nits brightness, and a 240 Hz touch sampling rate, ensuring smooth visuals and responsive touch interactions. Additionally, the display is TUV low blue light certified, reducing eye strain during prolonged use. Performance. Under the hood, the POCO M7 5G is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 processor, coupled with 6 GB of physical RAM and an additional 6 GB of virtual RAM, turbo RAM, totaling 12 GB. This configuration ensures efficient multitasking and a smooth user experience. The device also boasts an impressive AnTuTu benchmark score of 450,000, highlighting its robust performance capabilities. Camera. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the 50MP Sony IMX852 primary sensor, which supports 1080p video recording at 30 frames per second. The camera setup includes 7 film filters, allowing users to add creative flair to their shots. For selfies and video calls, the device is equipped with an 8MP front-facing camera. Battery and charging. The POCO M7 5G houses a 5,160 mAh battery, supporting 18W fast charging. Interestingly, POCO includes a 33W charger in the box, ensuring quicker charging times out of the box. Software and updates. The smartphone is expected to ship with Android 14 and POCO has committed to providing 2 years of OS updates and 4 years of security patches, ensuring the device remains up to date with the latest features and security enhancements. Additional features. Durability is addressed with an IP52 rating, offering resistance against dust and minor water splashes. The device also features a 3.5mm headphone jack, catering to users who prefer wired audio solutions. Pricing and availability. Targeting the budget segment, the POCO M7 5G is priced under 10,000 Indian rupees, making it an attractive option for users seeking 5G connectivity without breaking the bank. The device is available for purchase via Flipkart and POCO's official website. Conclusion. The POCO M7 5G stands out as a strong contender in the budget smartphone market, offering a blend of modern design, capable performance, and thoughtful features. Its competitive pricing further enhances its appeal, making it a noteworthy option for consumers seeking value and functionality. Thanks for watching.